Town of Macabebe. Welcome to Macabebe. Beautiful, isn't it? It is said that God showers His blessings on earth in the form of rain, infusing everything and everyone with joy. The trees and plants appear greener and brighter when soaked in the rain. Rainy days bring relief from the scorching heat of the sun. The weather on this day is delightful and works wonders on our senses. A rainy day serves as nature's method of cleansing away dust and revitalizing the earth. The rhythmic patter of raindrops against windows produce a calming tune that induces a sense of tranquility in both the surroundings and its inhabitants. The air carries the earthy aroma of damp soil, a scent that awakens the senses and invokes a nostalgic feeling. Rainy days possesses a distinctive ability to bring people closer. The soft drumming of rain becomes a unifying backdrop, fostering a sense of closeness and connection. Whether gathering indoors with loved ones or sharing shelter beneath a common umbrella, rainy days promote the creation of bonds. There is a magical quality in exchanging stories, savoring hot beverages, and listening to the rain outdoors, crafting a cozy ambience that warms both body and soul. Nevertheless, not everyone perceives rainy days with the same appreciation. Yet, even with such sentiments, there exists a particular beauty in embracing the unpredictable nature of life.